Falls are the leading cause of broken bones as we age, but balance is something we can train. While strong bones matter, strong balance is just as important. In this video, we'll be doing standing balance exercises designed to help you stay steady in everyday situations like walking, turning, reaching, and stepping. I'll be doing these exercises with you and we'll be using a chair for support whenever needed. These movements build on the core and hip strength from the floor exercises in my other video and help train your body to stay upright and stable, which can greatly reduce your risk of falling and breaking a bone. Before we begin, please remember that not all exercises are appropriate for everyone. Check with your doctor or physical therapist before starting and always skip any movement that causes pain or feels unsafe. For today's workout, I'll be using a medium strength exercise band and a balance disc. I'll link both of these in the description box and in the first comment below the video. I'll also be changing footwear as we go. So for the first exercise, I won't be wearing shoes. For the second exercise, shoes are optional. And for the remaining exercises, I'll be wearing gym shoes so you can see how balance works in different real-life situations. As always, go at your own pace and feel free to pause the video at any time. Let's get started. This first exercise is called the forward T. Now, I always hang on to something when I do this, even though my physical therapist showed me a model doing it and she just had both hands on her hips and she never touched anything. But I do. I'll even touch a wall, but I don't have a wall on either side. So this is what I do. I'm going to put my right foot back and make my body like a T, and whichever leg I'm putting back first, which is the right leg, I'm going to put my right hand on that hip and then I'm going to hold on to something with the left. So you can grip something like this chair, or once you get better at it and you're more stabilized, you can just put a finger on it. It's up to you, but hold on first or put your hand on the wall on the side. You can do this in a hallway, and we're going to do 10 of these and then we'll switch legs. Ready? Here we go. 1. And you can tell I'm not stable. That's why I do this without shoes, because it's harder. It's more challenging. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And of course, if you want to wear shoes, that's fine. Now I'm going to switch. I'm going to hold on to something with my right hand, put my left hand on my left hip, and I'm going to put my left foot back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In another video, I extensively covered the horse stance and how to start from a super beginner to an intermediate to advanced. So I'm going to assume most of us are beginners, have something to hold on to, and in the horse stance, we work up to 2 minutes, but we're only going to do 1 minute, and I'll play some music. I only have 30-second time clock, so we'll do 2 of them to have a full minute. And what you're going to do is set your feet in a wide stance and your toes out, and then you're going to come down to where, as much as possible, your legs are parallel to the floor. So really grip something and hang on if this is fairly new to you, and this is great for balance from like almost your whole body. All right, ready, set, go. And then when you come up, grip that, whatever you're holding on to, a chair or a bedpost, and then work your feet up and shake it out. Now we're going to do running balance pose. I always need something to touch or hold on to. Usually I use a wall here in my sunroom that you can't really see, but that would have been a bad angle for filming. So I'm going to use the chair. And the idea is, of course, the models who do this don't hang on to anything, but that you're in a running balance and then you're doing this and coming up. So with the leg you're using, which I'm going to start with my left leg, I'm starting with the right arm up and the left arm kind of back and out. And then I go down a little bit and I kick that left leg back and I bring my right arm back and my left arm forward and then back up. So this is where I hold on and I switch hands to hold on to something like a wall or a chair. So I'm going to start with my left leg. We'll do 10 of these and then we'll switch to the right. Okay, ready? Have something ready to touch or hold on to. Left leg up, right hand is touching whatever you're holding on to. Left arm is back a little bit. I hope I said that right. Ready? Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, now we're going to switch. Right leg is up and left hand is touching something. Ready? Go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Banded monster walks are next. I have my medium weight band above my knees. Now, I'm in a small space. I'm in my little sunroom. I usually do this down a hallway, or I've even done it in the past, like at a gym down a hallway, if I bring my own band. So I'm going to start over here. And what we're going to do is bend down and put your hands on your hips. And when you reach out one foot, you're not going to bring the next foot all the way back. You're going to bring it part way. So you stretch as far as you can with the band and bring the other foot together, but not quite together. So you're taking like baby steps, but they call it monster. These are really great for your glutes. You'll get a good glute workout. You might be sore tomorrow. But if you do this 3 times a week, all of these, the soreness will go away and you'll stay a lot more in shape. So do as many as you can. You might do them, you know, without the video because you want to do 8 to 12 steps and then back, and do that 3 times. So that's monster walks. For this next exercise, I am using the band. This is modified squats. And we're going to take 2 books that are about the same thickness and put them down on the ground because we're going to put our heels on them. Now, I don't need a chair to hold on to for this one, but if you do, definitely have a chair. And what we're going to do is go down with our arms up and then come up. So we're going to do 30 of these. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you're sitting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. For a single leg squat with forward reach, I brought back the chair. So of course the models for physical therapy don't use the chair, but we're going to do one leg at a time. I'm going to start with my left leg. So my left leg comes up, and the idea is that your hands stay forward the whole time or hold on to something, or they stay forward, hold on and let go, hold on and let go. And for the movement, you reach your leg back, bend the right leg, bend your right knee for the right leg that's on the floor, and then come up. And that's 1. So we're going to do 10 on each side. So start with your left leg up, your hands out, and we're going to bend. As we put the left leg back, we're going to bend the right knee. Ready? Go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. I'm a little wobbly. Okay, now left foot on the floor, right leg up, and here we go with the right leg back. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Take a breath. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. I love doing a balance workout on either a disc trainer like this one or a Bosu ball. Now where I work out at the gym, they have Bosu balls, but those cost over $100. This disc trainer costs less than $20. So I'm using this. I've never had to reinflate it. Now you can balance on both feet if you want. I've gone beyond that, and I do 1 foot at a time. So that's what we're going to do. I always have something to hold on to or put a finger on, a wall, a chair, for example. And I'm going to start with my left foot. We're going to balance for 30 seconds. I'll put on some music and I'll put the 30-second countdown clock on the screen. Okay, are you ready? Go. Okay, and now I'll do the right foot. Ready? Go. Okay. Great job today. Now, if any of these standing balance exercises felt challenging, that's completely normal. Balance is a skill and skills improve with practice. If you haven't already, I encourage you to also do my floor-based balance exercise video. Now, those exercises strengthen the core and hip muscles that support everything we did today. I'll link that video on the right side of the screen at the top. Together, the floor work and the standing exercises help you stay steadier, reduce your risk of falling, and protect your bones as you age. Tap that video's image, and I'll see you in the next video.